All officers fall in ర్యాంక్ వైజ్ ప్రోటోకాల్ పై ఆఫీసర్ నుంచి కింది వరకు ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి. డిఎస్పీ సార్స్ అండ్ సిఐసార్స్ దెన్ ఎస్ఐస్ ఇట్లా వరుసగా నిలబడి ఉండాలి.
రెడీ ఉన్నాడు సార్, రెడీ ఉన్నారు, వెహికల్ అయితే రెడీ ఉంది. అదే అక్కడ ఎవరైనా కాన్స్టేబుల్ పెడతారా?
అక్టోబర్ 20 దురదృష్టవశాత్తు వృత్తిలో అమరత్వం పొందిన ఎంతో మంది పోలీస్ అమరవీరులను ఆదర్శంగా తీసుకుంటూ వారికి జోహార్లు అర్పిస్తూ ఈ అక్టోబర్ 21, 2025 ఈరోజు జరుపుకుంటున్నటువంటి పోలీస్ అమరవీరుల దినోత్సవానికి ప్రతీకగా వారి కుటుంబ సభ్యులందరికీ కూడా శిరస్సు వంచి స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. ఈ పరేడ్ కమాండర్గా కె కిరణ్ కుమార్ గారు ఆర్ఐ అడ్మిన్ వ్యవహరిస్తున్నారు. అలాగే ఈ యొక్క పరేడ్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్లాటూన్ కమాండర్గా ప్రణీత్ గారు ఆర్ఎస్ఐ టీం వ్యవహరిస్తున్నారు. కాసేపట్లో జగిత్యాల్ సూపరింటెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ పోలీస్ అవర్ హానరబుల్ ఎస్పీ గారు శ్రీ అశోక్ కుమార్ గారు ఐపీఎస్ గారు పరేడ్కి వస్తున్నారు. ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నారు డిఎస్పీ ఎస్పీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వెంకటరమణ గారు, అలాగే రఘుచందర్ గారు. లడక్, సియాచిన్ ప్రాంతాలు చాలా కీలకమైనవి. సరిహద్దు భద్రతా దళం, ఇండో టిబెటియన్ బోర్డర్ పోలీస్ వంటి ప్రత్యేక భద్రతా దళాలు ఏర్పడక ముందు సరిహద్దులను రక్షించే బాధ్యత కేంద్ర రిజర్వ్ పోలీస్ ఫోర్స్. కలెక్టర్ అండ్ మెజిస్ట్రేట్ ఆఫ్ జగిత్యాల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ శ్రీ సత్యప్రసాద్ గారు ఐఏఎస్ వారిని సాదర స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. సార్ విత్ హానర్ వారికి సాదర స్వాగతం పలుకుతున్నాం. గౌరవ వందనాన్ని స్వీకరించాలని సవినయంగా పరేడ్ పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. విశిష్ట అతిథులు కలెక్టర్ మెజిస్ట్రేట్ ఆఫ్ జగిత్యాల్ బి సత్యప్రసాద్ గారు
member of police family, media person, and the people of Jagdal district. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all of you on this solemn occasion of Police Commemoration Day. Today, as we gather here, we bow our heads in deep respect and gratitude to the brave police personnel who laid down their lives in the line of duty. This day reminds us not only of their supreme sacrifice, but also of the unwavering commitment, courage, and the sense of duty that defines the police force of our nation. Every year, October 21st marks the remembrance of the 10 valiant CRPF personnel who sacrificed their life in 1959 while defending our border in Ladakh against external aggression from China. Since then, this day has become a symbol of remembrance of every police personnel across the country who has made the ultimate sacrifice for the safety and integrity of India. In the past year alone, we have lost several of our brothers and sisters in uniforms, brave hearts who stood firm in the face of danger, protecting citizens from crime, terrorism, Naxalism, and natural disasters. their sacrifices is not in vain. It strengthens our resolve to serve society with even greater dedication. As Superintendent of Police Jagtial, I take this moment to acknowledge the relentless service of our officers and staff, from constables on the patrol to the officer leading critical operations. The police force is first responder, the guardian of law and order, and the protector of peace in every corner of the society. Despite challenges also, long hours, limited resources, and personal sacrifices, our police personnel continue to serve with integrity and humanity. Today is also a day to remember the families of our martyrs, the parents, the spouse, the children who live with silent pride and enduring grief. Your strength inspires us. You are the extended family of our police force, and we remain committed to supporting you always. As per the DG Telangana of Police, for the remembrance of brave policemen who sacrifice their lives in the line of duty, we have organized competitions for the students, open house programs for the programs on police services and police stations. Blood donation camps also being organized, and we organize meetings with martyred police families. Here in Jagtial district, we would like to take this moment to remember and salute our own brave sons of Jagtial district who laid down their lives in the line of duty. Their courage, sacrifice and devotion of duty will forever remain etched to our collective memory. I will read 11 incidences where our 15 police personnel have laid their life for protecting our citizen and protecting our country. Constable Komal Reddy, he was martyred in 23rd July 1985 when he was brutally shot dead by Naxalites at Dharampuri bus stand while discharging his duty with dedication and courage. Constable Ravindra Naik, on 9 September 1988, he laid down his life after being attacked and fatally assaulted by Naxalites near Atmapur village of Mettipalli Mandal, displaying immense bravery in the face of danger. Constable Janashakti Anu Ranjana, on 3rd September 1990, he was martyred in an exchange of fire with Naxalites at Oddeda village of Mettipalli Mandal. Head Constable Fazluddin, along with Constable Muhammad Moniuddin and Muhammad Fazluddin, on 23rd February 1991, while they were traveling to near the Bhushanrao Peta village of Kachapur Mandal, they were shot dead and they laid their life on the line of duty. Head Constable Saeed Mobi, in 1991, he attained martyrdom in a fierce encounter with Naxalites at Hapsipur Gutta in Jagtial Mandal. In 1992, while returning from duty, he was taken forcibly off a bus and shot dead by Naxalite near Sirpur village of Mallapur Mandal. Constable M.D. Latif, he was martyred in 1993 while he was standing on duty near hotel in Mettipalli. Head Constable N. Srinivas and Constable S. Srinivas, A. Rajya and D. Prakash, they were martyred in 1993 during search operation for Naxalites in Battapalli Puttaram of Sarangapur Mandal. Sub-Inspector Kranti Kiran, he was martyred in 1995 while leading anti-Naxal operation in Rangarao Peta of Mettipalli Mandal. Homeguard Venkati, he was martyred in 9th September 1998. He was shot at by Janshakti Naxalites near Mettipalli bus stand. Constable Sri Ramulu God, he was martyred on 4th February 2001. He was shot at by Naxalites at Kachapur bus stand while performing his duties with sincerity and fearlessness. In this occasion, I would like to remember the sacrifice laid by our one of the constable in Nizamabad, PC Pramod Kumar, 18th Rojidi, he was martyred. We would like to tell all of you, all the part of society, that in this moment, in this grief moment, we are all together with their families. For anything, we will be there to support them, and we work as a team here, and we'll always take care of their families also, and their children also. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Our revered police families, good morning to all. Today, on October 21st, we gather to observe Police Commemoration Day, a day of profound significance for our nation and the state of Telangana. It is a day when we honor and remember the brave men and women of the police force who made the ultimate sacrifice in serving of our country. The police flag we see today is a symbol of their unwavering courage, their selfless dedication, and their commitment to upholding law and order. This day holds special meaning as we recall the sacrifice of 10 CRPF personnel at Ladakh on October 21st, 1959. Since that tragic day, October 21st has been dedicated to commemorating not only 10 martyrs but also every police officer who has laid down their life in the line of duty. We pay tribute to their extraordinary bravery and selfless devotion to protect the integrity and sovereignty of our nation. In Telangana, our police force has stood as a pillar of strength and security. They work tirelessly, often under challenging conditions, to ensure the safety and well-being of every citizen. They are the first responders in times of crisis and the silent guardians who ensure peace and harmony in our communities. Today, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the families of our police martyrs. Your loss is a national loss and your sacrifice will never be forgotten. We stand in solidarity with you and are committed to supporting you in every way possible. The strength and resilience you show serve as a constant source of inspiration for us all. I would also like to commend all the serving police officers for their relentless hard work and dedication. Your efforts in maintaining law and order, preventing crime, and fostering a sense of security among the public are invaluable. You represent the best of our state and a source of pride for the nation. As we reflect on the sacrifices of our fallen heroes, let us renew to pledge our support to the police force and cooperate with them in their crucial mission. Let us work together to build a society where safety, security, and justice prevail for everyone. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.
कोटेश्वर राव, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, पीसी थूटन सिंह, असम प्रोबेशनरी एसआई, अर्चना देवी, लैंस नायक, हिमांशु शर्मा, बिहार एसआई प्रीतम रजक, एएसआई राजीव रंजन मल, एएसआई जितेंद्र कुमार, हवलदार मिथिलेश कुमार, पीसी शेखर पासवान, पीसी आशुतोष कुमार भगत, पीसी रविकांत कुमार, पीसी कोमल कुमारी, छत्तीसगढ़ एडिशनल एसपी अशोक राव गिरपुंजे, हेड कांस्टेबल वीरेंद्र कुमार शौरी, हेस्सी सन्नुकरम, हेस्सी भद्रम कोसा, हेस्सी नरेश कुमार ध्रुव, पीसी चमन सोधी, पीसी दम्मू बंदकामी, पीसी पंड्रू पायम, पीसी बस्तर फाइटर सोमडू वेट्टी, पीसी बस्तर फाइटर डिविजन सुदर्शन वेट्टी, पीसी बस्तर फाइटर सबरनाथ यादव, पीसी बस्तर फाइटर हरीश, पीसी वसंत कुमार रवाटे, पीसी राजम ओयम, पीसी मनोज कुमार, पीसी दिनेश नाग, गुजरात सब इंस्पेक्टर जहीद खान मनसूफ खान पाठा, एसआई सचिन राजकुमार शर्मा, पीसी विराल बेन हरमी भाई रबारी, झारखंड पीसी सुनील धन, कर्नाटका एसआई महबूब गुड्डालिक, एएसआई केएन वेंकटाचलपति, एआरएसआई एस गिरीश, एससी बसवराजु एम, एआरएससी टीएस निंगराजु, स्पेशल आरएससी डीयू प्रकाश, एचसी एनआर महेश, एआरपीसी रामप्पा पुजारी, केरला ड्राइवर सिविल पुलिस ऑफिसर श्याम प्रसाद, मध्य प्रदेश इंस्पेक्टर संजय पाठक, इंस्पेक्टर रमेश कुमार धुवे, एएसआई रामचरण गौतम, मध्य प्रदेश कंटिन्यूड, एएसआई महेश कुमार कोठी, हेस्सी संतोष कुमार खुशवाहा, हेस्सी प्रिंस गार्ग, हेस्सी अभिषेक शिंदे, हेस्सी गोविंद पटेल, पीसी अनुज सिंह, पीसी सुंदर सिंह बघेल, पीसी अनिल यादव, महाराष्ट्र पीसी महेश कवाडू नगरवाल, मणिपुर एसआई एमडी शाहजहान, पीसी सोहेबन संजीत सिंह, राइफलमैन टीएच Unrin B, Nagaland, PC Chandan Das, Odisha, PC Lakshman